Welcome to Pinoy Foodie! Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Ang cravings natin today is beef adobo. Beef adobo is a Filipino dish that calls for braising beef in a savory sauce. Adobo in Spanish word adobar means to marinate, sauce, or seasoning before cooking. It is a Filipino national dish of pork or chicken and beef stewed in soy sauce. The delicious flavor and preserving qualities of adobo make the dish more popular not only in the Philippines but also around the world. Let's start! Marinate and combine the beef with black pepper, lemon, soy sauce, and flavored pepper. Cook the meat using a pressure cooker for 20 minutes till the beef becomes tender and set aside. Heat a cooking pan and fry the potato and carrot separately. In the same pan, sauté the garlic, onion, and green chili. Add the meat and simmer for 2 to 5 minutes. Add the right amount of soda, like Sprite, and let it simmer. Add the fried carrot and potato and mix. taste. Lastly, pour the marinade sauce and let it simmer. Transfer to a serving plate, then serve with rice. Finally, here's our beef adobo. Enjoy and have fun till next time. Only here at Pinoy Foodie.